How beautiful the Philippines is to behold. A land of people with discipline and an environment they call home.
We are here today to talk about today's era, where people are more reliant on technology and less aware of their environment. Pollution, specifically. Pollution can be seen everywhere. It can be found through water, on land, through air, and even through sound, or more specifically, noise pollution, caused by multiple variations.
But it has been abused. Let us hear the complaints and questions of students and other professionals from the interview we have conducted.
Now, water, a source for human life to continue existing. It is something, a substance that we drink to conserve our energy. Now, let me ask you this. Water. Would you still drink it if you know what's hidden beneath the surface? Come on, let's talk about water. Now, every day, all kinds of fertilizers, sewage, as well as multiple chemicals can be seen visible through our water system. It destroys our environment. Aren't you guys aware of that?
The excess nutrients caused by overfertilization causes algae blooms to bloom because of the excess of nutrients, and because of that, they obscure the water surface. Obscuring a water surface results in the local water, not being able to acquire oxygen from the air because of the algae. And so, because of that, the fish under the water, where the algae visibly directly affect, start to effectively run out of oxygen and die out. Because of that, it's not impossible, it's very much actually possible, within the realms of possibility, that this could cause an ecological disaster within that ecosystem pond or ocean water, sea surface happens to be a part of it. So, dying of the fish culture results in other things reliant on those fish to die out as well.
We used to fish a lot with our grandfather back then.
But the river is so polluted and river is so dirty. So the fish are gone.
So we couldn't fish anymore. Yeah.
Would you swim here? Would you let our river just stay dirty?
land pollution, rather, the problem is more or less serious. Let's say solid waste, pesticides, and chemical poisons are being spread in the very land we live in.
Plastics don't just disappear. They break into microplastics that enter the soil, in the water, and also in our food.
Our playground is near a dam site. Sometimes the smell is so bad. We can play outside.
And when forests are cut, we don't just lose our dignity, or rather say, homes for the animals. We lose fresh air and balance for land. Now, noise pollution. Have you ever stopped and wondered how loud the surroundings are? You know, how unjust it is for people around us.
I can focus in class because of the trucks passing by all the times, and it stresses me.
So noise pollution isn't just annoying. It raises stress levels, causing hearing problems. It even lowers the productivity of children and in workers.
And not just people are suffering. Have you ever stopped and wondered, how are the animals doing? Do you ever hear the birds chirping anymore, as they can't hear their own song or their voice? And as the land animals suffer, as well as marine life, they lost their way in the ocean. Let's just not say as our environment is at risk. Not just air, land, water. Let's even put in the sound or noise. The pollution can alter life itself on a genetic level. And let's say not all mutations are good. Some are actually beneficial.
Genes from genetically engineered plants sometimes escape into the wild. That's genetic pollution. It changes natural species in ways we can't always predict.
As I read through this, science also offers hope with methods like male sterility and chloroplast transformation. We can manage crops without spreading engineered genes through pollen. As in their words, is how it's beneficial to us. The fight for pollution is a fight for life itself. Now the question is, are you gonna be part of the problem or the solution? The future depends on us.
Remember, being responsible for our actions is making the right use of our next future generation.
I started bringing my own water bottle on school, so I don't use a plastic bottle.